This water bottle takes 10 to 1,000 years to decompose, yet it's only been in my hand for a couple of minutes. According to the mid-climate, plastic waste is a major problem and we should all be concerned about. 8 to 12 million tons of plastic enter our global oceans annually. It kills marine life, it piles into an enormous garbage patterns, and it crumbles in microplastics that resurfaces in drinking water. Plastic is made with fossil fuels and compresses 6% of global oil consumption. The United States produces more plastic waste than any other country in the world. A 2019 report from Center in International Environmental Law stated the industry will release 1.34 billion tons of greenhouse gas emissions annually. By 2030, about equal emissions of the entire continent of Africa today. By 2050, it's projected there will be more plastic in the ocean by weight than fish if this current trend continues. The most plastic have proven to release the greenhouse gas ethylene and methane as they decompose. The latter of which traps atmospheric heat at 25 times the rate of carbon dioxide over the course of a century. Climate change will increase the spread of plastic pollution. Plastic is made of carbon, which is either fossil-based or bio-based. Plastics also damage soil, poison groundwater, and harm living creatures. Plastic waste, whether it's in rivers, ocean, or land, can linger in our environment. About 22% of all plastic waste ends up in the environment and oceans, harming marine life through food, water, and packaging. Plastic will be 1.4% of the global emissions by 2060. Microplastic are being transported through the atmosphere and end up in our bodies. According to the World Economic Forum, higher temperatures can increase the release of plastic, and it can act as carriers for contaminants, including metals and persistent inorganic chemicals. In freshwater systems, zooplanktons experience reduced survival when exposed in both warmer waters and microplastics. These organizations form the food web, which harms larger animals as well. Warming conditions may enhance the transfer of these substances into food, compounding ecological and health risk. Elevated temperatures can increase plastic ingestion rates and intensify toxic effects for fish. The problem has a major impact on wildlife. At least 2,144 species have found to encounter plastic pollution. It's estimated up to 90% of seabirds and 52% of sea turtles have mistakenly eaten plastic. The United States is one of the leading generators of plastic waste globally. In order to save our marine life, ecosystem, climate, and our health, we must take small steps to make a lasting impact for the next generation to come. According to Plastic for Change, it's helpful if we reduce our use of plastic. Buy in bulks. Support local farmer markets where produce isn't sold in packaging. Invest in high-quality, reusable shopping bags, produce bags, water bottles, and food containers. Refuse plastic straws. Familiarize yourself with your local recycling guidelines. Consider starting a bid for organic waste to further reduce your overall waste output. In conclusion, plastic pollution and climate change is a major problem, and it takes all of our cooperation. We can recycle and reuse items, resell or donate goods that are reusable to keep out of landfill. Take part of your local litter cleanups or organize an effort to clean your city. Our planet is choking, polluting the air, water, and soil. Both people, nature, wildlife, and our future generations deserve a habitable planet for centuries to come. If we don't take serious action now, our planet will face serious effects. Are you ready to make the difference?